In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your availability on Acuity. Managing your schedule effectively is key to balancing your professional and personal life, and Acuity scheduling is an exceptional tool to help with that. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a part of a larger team, adjusting your schedule on Acuity is a simple process once you know the steps. So let's get started. Firstly, let's head over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic happens. When you arrive at the website, you'll notice the login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to entering your Acuity dashboard. Upon clicking login, the next step is to enter your email address. This is the email address you used to sign up for Acuity. It's essential to ensure that you're entering the correct email to avoid any login issues. After typing in your email address, look for the Next button and click on it to proceed. At this point, you're presented with various login methods. One convenient method is to continue with Google. This option is especially handy if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account. Clicking Continue with Google will streamline the login process, making it quicker and more secure. Next, select your Google account. This should be the same Google account that's linked to your Acuity schedule. This step is straightforward. Just choose the account you want to use from the list provided by Google. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to head to the crux of today's tutorial, changing your availability. Look on your Acuity dashboard for an option labeled Availability. It's crucial because this is where you can manage and edit your available time slots. After finding and clicking on Availability, you're now one step closer to customizing your schedule. Now let's edit your schedule. This might sound a bit technical, but it's quite straightforward. On the Availability section, you will find the option to edit your schedule. This is where you can get down to the nitty-gritty of when you're available for appointments and when you're not. It's a crucial step in ensuring your Acuity calendar accurately reflects your real-world availability. After clicking to edit your schedule, it's time to change your time slots. This is where you can set specific times of the day you're available. It gives you the flexibility to manage your day more efficiently, ensuring that you're only booked for appointments when you're truly available. It is about balancing work life by not overbooking yourself and ensuring you have time for other important aspects of life. Lastly, after adjusting your times to your satisfaction, make sure to click on Save Regular Hours. This is perhaps the most critical step, as failing to save your changes means all the adjustments you've made won't be applied. Saving solidifies your availability, updating your schedule for clients to see, and book appointments accordingly. Here are some additional tips to enhance your scheduling experience on Acuity. First, routinely update your availability to reflect any changes in your schedule or commitments. Life is dynamic and your Acuity schedule should be as well. Second, explore the option to set up different types of availability based on the services you offer if Acuity supports this feature. It's a fantastic way to manage multiple service offerings efficiently. Lastly, take advantage of Acuity's syncing feature if it supports syncing with external calendars. This ensures all your appointments are in one place, reducing the chances of double booking or missed appointments. That wraps up how to change your availability on Acuity. Remember, a well-managed calendar is key to a well-managed life. Acuity Scheduling offers a robust platform to help you manage your time effectively, ensuring you're always at your best, both professionally and personally. Take the time to familiarize yourself with all the features it offers to maximize your efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials to help you navigate your digital tools and enhance your productivity.